I'm so cold. I think my hair is frozen. We've just finished base camp and now we're heading over the Cho La Pass. It's 5 a.m, the sun's just rising. We've just been walking through this mist and slowly these mountains have just appeared out of nowhere. And the sunlight is just hitting this mountain and lighting it up. It's amazing, it's surreal. It's harder than it looks. Whew, we made it to the top of Cho La Pass. It was hard work. It was a scramble over boulders, up some steep slopes, but it's totally worth it. You should see the view. Yeah! Woo! Woo! It's been the most incredible adventure and I really want to come back and explore this place more because there's just so much more to do. Huge thank you to Book Mundi. They've really made this journey so incredible. They've really made it a lot of fun. Thank you.